Lockpickers, we are back at PGX in fabulous Steel City, Pittsburgh, and we are here with Brian, one of the great powers that is for PGX. So please tell us, what can we look forward to this weekend?
Oh man, Luce, thank you so much. So we have absolutely packed this house to the gills for PGX this year. We have multiple bands: Gunder Slam, Psycho Stick, Essenger, and that's just a couple of them. We have a huge lineup of guests this year. Last year we only had like 4 or 5, and they were all awesome, but we said, why stop there? So we have about 20 guests for the show this year. 11 of them have booths. Tim Kitzero's in the house of NBA Jam and NFL Blitz. Paul Niemeyer's in the house. John Riggs from Rigged Games is in the house. And so, and from Tabletop Gaming, we have, sorry, they're talking in my ear. I can't concentrate. And as far as Tabletop Gaming goes, we have Baron DeRopp of Dungeon Masterpiece, and Bob World Builder and Grace World Destroyer of Bob World Builder channel. I mean, just a great array of guests in the store.
I know you're Unlockable content.
Exactly. You guys are in the house, Unlockable content, and I know you're big fans of board games and things like that. Have you had an opportunity to look at the board game area yet?
Oh, we're going to see as much as we can.
It's about as large as the entire show was last year.
This building is massive. We can't wait to show you everything inside. So let's hurry on in and show you PGX.
Yay!それからもしかしたら希望それからもしかしたら希望 恐れ不安孤独病それからもしかしたら希望
Hey Lockpickers, we are here with Larry for Shuffling Horror. I just finished doing a playtest of it. It's a lot of fun. Think horror movie as a card game on a tabletop. It's a lot of fun. He'll explain it better than I ever could. So Shuffling Horror, but there's 3 variations of it, so explain it to us, please.
Okay, so Shuffling Horror is a card and dice game that plays like a movie. We've got 3 titles. Pittsburgh 68, which is a homage to the birthplace of zombie horror. Night of the Living Dead was filmed in Pittsburgh in 1968, and The Long Route 68, so that's the Pittsburgh 68 title. It's a card and dice game where one player is the monsters, the zombies in Pittsburgh, and everyone else is trying to make it to the end of the movie. The other titles are Roswell 51, which is 1950-style alien invasion flicks, and Innsmouth 32 is our Lovecraft title, which takes place in Innsmouth. All games play on the Shuffling Horror board down there, which is how we run the movie. It feels like you're in a drive-in or at the theater trying to survive to an end of the movie. And that's the Shuffling Horror system in toto.
All right. It was a lot of fun, so I'll have information linked down below. You can check it out for yourself. So we are here with Herb from Lost Astronaut Studios, and he is telling us about Appaloon 2, his new game, the follow-up to Appaloon 1. Yes. We're going to have to go and check them both out. So awesome. He's giving us a Steam access, so we'll have to make sure we check that out on the channel. So look out for that Steam, and you can tell us about the game. What are we looking forward to?
Well, so it is a single-player game, but the co-op is really the hidden gem. Appaloon 2 is about a bunch of astronauts tethered to a space station in an asteroid belt, and you know, it's frustrating but fun, and
a little bit of a rage game.
A little bit.
Okay.
You don't die very quickly, but sometimes you do. It's random, so please play through a couple of times. But
we're gonna have fun.
With
having fun.
Up to 8 controllers.
It's fun.
So yeah, and it's retro and it is comedic. And
all right, we're looking forward to that.
Thank you for enjoying it. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it.
We are here at PGX, and we're going to check out Rightfully Barry Arms. This looks adorable. It's kind of reminding me of like Bucky O'Hare, kind of. You remember that?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here with Chris, and he's going to tell us more about the game.
Yeah, so this is Rightfully Barry Arms. It's a bullet-hell twin-stick shooter, similar to like Nuclear Throne or Gungeon, but we put a little bit more emphasis on planning progression, meta progression. So you can choose the dungeons you want to crawl, the possible resources from those dungeons. It's not totally random. You have influence over that. You also have influence on how the enemy gets more difficult. And each time you beat a boss, we call it a calamity. You receive a calamity, you actually choose how the enemy gets difficult and like upgrades itself.
Interesting. Yeah. Okay, and you can tell us about some of these characters. Like we've got this battery here and the bear, and it's also it just looks so good.
So this is a kid. Like the story takes place into a kid's imagination, and so this is his bear or their bear, the Barry, and then all the enemies in the world are kind of like taken as like literal puns or like literal interpretations of the world. So this is like the Battery Boys. They have a queen that's called the Bat Tree, and she is just like literally a bat with tree wings, and so just like a lot of like play on like how kids interpret the world.
Yeah, no, that's like great.
That. Yeah.
Okay, well, we're going to check out the game in a bit. We're going to give it a play test, so we'll check it out. Well, it's an Xbox controller, but we won't hold that against them.
Hey, there's glare.
All right, let's see.
Okay.
All right. And we begin.
Alright, I am only filming the screen.
Okay. Preparing to beam you down. Oh god, the rumble. Paul Stapleton. Hello, I'm Paul Stapleton. Welcome to the Rightfully Barry Arms Early Access Tutorial. Don't mind the bugs, the exterminator is on the way. That's great. In the meantime, I'm going to give you a bit more equipment than you would normally have, so your demo experience is smooth and balanced. Head on over to the toy box and pick a weapon. Keep in mind, you only get to choose one. Don't tell me what to do. I guess you do get to tell me what to do. Handgun, cap gun, alien blaster. Yeah, let's go with the alien blaster.
It's what he's using in the picture, I think.
Oh. How did you... Whoosh. Okay. Okay, so trigger shoots. Yeah. It would pay... I show you guys the controls. It would help if I actually followed them.
Okay. gosh, I'm sorry. I'm like not filming the screen.
Talk to Mr. Stapleton. I know we're animals, but come on. Come around front and talk. That's funny. I know. I'm in front of you. Oh, there we are. Okay. You want me to be in just the right spot, Paul. Yeah, you pretentious monocle wearing. Paul
Children!
Language.
Hi, pretentious. Hi, Paul again. In this game, what's a game you ask? I'll tell you later. As I was saying, this game levels are segmented. In this game, levels are segmented by rooms. When you enter a room, the door locks and enemies appear. Eliminate the enemies and the doors will unlock. Sometimes a toy chest will appear. If you ever get lost, you can tell Greg, the camera operator, to zoom out so you can see where you are. Some might call this map view. To do this, hit the M key. Map. Okay, I see. The hamburger, or whatever you may call it. Okay. Okay, we're finally ready to start playing the full game here. All right.
Hey!
Oh my God, I can't aim. That is my curse for shooting games. I can't aim to save my life. Oh God. No, don't shoot at me. I am but small bear. Health. Hold on, I'm collecting JoJo symbols.
Why are you walking backwards? Oh dear Lord!
It's the battery boys! Oh dear Lord, that's like a full-on shotgun.
Yes. Wait, James!
More JoJo's.
We're having a bizarre adventure right now with a teddy bear. Hide behind the box. Hide behind the box.
Oh God. I love these battery things. Love the way they just keep stumbling up to you. Ah, turn around. Oh, I'm not done yet. Oh yeah, I can see the exclamation points. Okay. Okay, stop fancy. No. Oh,
It's fine. You have unlimited lives right now
okay. Oh, I do?
because of demo.
Oh. I think I'll finish this area and then.
You're not gonna play the boss?
Okay, fine.
At least I'm assuming there's a boss.
I don't know. I'm on a ship. Is that where a boss is? I'm on the ship. Is that where the boss is, or?
So you have it's a fuel called radar. We call it radar jam.
Yeah.
When you run out of radar jam, that's when you fight the boss.
Okay.
So by just traveling to different dungeons in that map screen, you'll eventually face them.
Oh, okay. I love the way the batteries waddle around. Stop flipping the gun. I get that's your reload, but. All right, you know what? I think I'll cut it there. I don't know how there we go. This game has been a lot of fun, and I will definitely be looking forward to seeing what comes out from it.